Hey guys, this is CMDR and I'm coming at you with a video about my Nexus S. This time it's 4.2 on the Nexus S. As you guys know, if you're keeping up with all the news, Google isn't giving out the OTA for 4.2 on the Nexus S because, well, it's an alt phone. It's a single core CPU, GPU, and half a gig of RAM, so it's understandable. The developer Kenzo, he ported this ROM to the Nexus S. It's pretty much, it works fine. Everything's working, Wi-Fi, data, calling, everything's smooth for an alpha build. He actually took down the link for it. I managed to snag it up before he took it down, but I'll post a link for a ROM that's just like it in the description that's still up. So I'll leave that down there for you guys, and I'm going to go into the differences from 4.1. First of all, for an alpha build, this is very, very, very smooth. Everything is really fast, like the notification bar, everything is super smooth. As soon as ScienceMod gets on this project and starts working on it, it will be, it'll be great. It'll be so fast. So I'm not actually sure why Google refused to do the OTA if it's so much faster in Jellybean. In my opinion, it is. It seems a lot faster. Nothing really lags anymore. I guess it's just further optimizations, but I'll show you the differences in Jellybean. First of all, the new notification tray, it's faster now. Like if you had any lag in Jellybean 4.1, then you're not really gonna have a problem here. It's very fast. But here's the cool part: when you pull it down, there's this little panel. It's a square. It's got a little people symbol on it, kind of thing. And when you touch it, my bad. When you touch it, it will flip it around and it'll give you a couple of toggles, just like on the Nexus 7 here. I have it. If you pull it down, as you can see, you have little toggles. Same goes for here. But the thing about the Nexus 7 is you can pull down on the left side and it'll bring down the notification bar. If you pull down on the right side, you'll get the toggles. On the Nexus S, on phones, it's implemented a little differently. One swipe down is this, and you can always do this from one swipe down. You can always do that, but two swipes down, like that, brings down your little toggles. So that's something really interesting. You have brightness, which you can do that. I really love this. I use it in apps all the time. By the way, this ROM has been my daily driver for the past week or so. There's a settings bar, Wi-Fi, signal, battery, airplane mode, and Bluetooth off. When ScienceMod comes out, I bet they'll be adding new squares in here. It'll be like a scrollable thing, but we'll see. Time will tell. Next, I'm gonna hop into the camera application. Let me just unplug this real quick. Alright, says take your photo. Alright, it's a lot cleaner. The new UI is cleaner. You have one button here, autofocus. This is like a stock ROM, so you can't touch to focus. It's a little bit slower than the 4.1 camera. But you know how it is in Jellybean. You tap it and you have a little circle looking thing, and you can navigate into the options from there. It's a little cool. I don't think Photosphere is even in this build. You have Panorama, I know that, where you can do the panorama. We all know that from Ice Cream Sandwich. No, it doesn't seem that there's a Photosphere. There's just video camera. I guess they didn't include that in the build because it wasn't working or anything, but the camera works besides the Photosphere thing. What else is new in 4.2? Oh, just so you guys can tell that this is 4.2, I'll just hop into settings real quick, show you guys. By the way, they changed the menu up a little bit. Like in Jellybean, the icons were smaller, and in ICS they were a little bit bigger, but they changed it in Jellybean to make them smaller, and now they made them a little bit bigger to accommodate for smaller screens. I'm not sure why they did that, since they didn't do the OTA for it, but that's always nice. I like it better, because the buttons are bigger. As you can see, 4.2, this is a little Easter egg. It didn't change at all. Still have jelly beans, all that good stuff. But overall, 4.2 is just a lot faster than 4.1, in my opinion. It seems that way on my device. Everything's working, and you should really try out this ROM. It's very nice. It's fast. Oh, and I forgot to go over the clock. The new clock app is pretty nice. You have the time right here, and you can swipe sideways like in the ScienceMod clock. I bet they'll be getting rid of that when they put this in the builds. But you have this is a timer. Like it counts down, and right here, if you swipe to the right, this is a timer that counts up. It's like if it's a stopwatch, you tap it and it counts up, and you tap to stop and you tap again. It's that. But those are the main things in 4.2. You can tell it's a point and not a full update, because of these small additions. They're not really huge game changers, but definitely the biggest one would be this right here, the improved notification bar with this right here. I love that. I use it all the time. If you have any more, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment, and rate and subscribe. Thanks for watching.